again here, NFT Tiger is back with another brand new project. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into a very unique and amazing project, and looks to me it's a very promising NFT collections they have. And when you study this project, you will be surprised to see all the details, all the information. They have lots of collection available. You can see on OpenSea also, and if you want to buy these NFTs and sell on OpenSea, and even you can stake these NFTs and get reward. So lots of availability here. Before start explaining this project, guys, let me tell you first that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own research, study this project, take your time, and if you think it can generate best return in the future, so you can join it. But my responsibility is to provide one of the most top listed projects on the channel that can give you a huge amount of response in future. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification, because it's very important for you for upcoming videos notifications. So please don't skip any part of this project, because now I'm telling you all the details, how you can buy these NFT, how you can connect your MetaMask, and how you can collect these NFTs. There are different types of NFTs are available with different prices. So we will see all the price list, and also we'll see the collection on OpenSea also, and here the collection are mentioned. So you can see NFT marketplace, DAI white paper collection. So each and everything is very clean and clear, guys. So here you can see the future of technology, decentralized finance. So here you can see all the details is available. If you want to connect, if you want to buy, you have to connect your wallet. So with availability, you can connect your MetaMask. So it's very easy process. So if you want to know how to connect, then select your network, and you can easily buy these NFTs from there. Okay guys, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं last minute collections. So the different types of collections are available and different prices. Here you can see $100. You can see all the prices are different prices available, and different NFT collections are available. So very amazing and unique one, guys. I saw many projects, I promote many projects, but this project is a massive one. It have perfect collections, guys. तो इनकी कलेक्शन जो है वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है, लुक लाइक डायमंड. सो बहुत ज़बरदस्त अमेजिंग सी कलेक्शन है, and I'm sure when you keep these NFTs in your wallet, so and take your time, and then after some time you can generate best return, guys. Okay guys, if you scroll down a bit, here you can see a limited 60,255 unique NFTs they have. And here you can see, guys, live on network Binance Smart Chain. तो ये Binance Smart Chain के ऊपर जो है आप यहाँ पे इसको देख सकते हैं, और यहाँ पे देख सकते हो ये collective group of designers, developers and technologists with the extensive backgrounds and digital sector. Our purpose is to make a most notable NFT collection. So they are trying their best to make best NFTs collection. So यहाँ पे how you can make that, so we will discuss later on. First we will discuss the main page. Okay, here you can see discover to the extraordinary NFT collection of the 𝐕𝐄𝐑𝐈𝐅𝐈 group. So you can when you open this project, you will discover very unique and amazing project NFTs collection they have. तो यहाँ पे guys, यहाँ आप मतलब इसकी information यहाँ से भी ले सकते हैं. How you can mint that? So you can easily mint from here and buy our collections on OpenSea. So you can buy on OpenSea. I already told you about that. Here you can see the prices are given, and floor price, all the details is given. There's different types of NFTs that are available. So we will click on OpenSea, and let's check it out. So here you can see, guys, you can see the NFTs collections on OpenSea. They have all the collections on OpenSea also, and I can see the total volume. You can see the floor price, and next listed, owner, and unique on all the details is given. So guys, moreover you can see all the details, the prices details, different types of collections available and with different prices, and the price will be NPNB. So आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं easily, यहाँ पे आपको information available है. Okay guys, this is the details. You can easily see these details on OpenSea, these collections on OpenSea. So next guys, there is more information available. Get started in 3 steps. So you need to follow 3 steps if you want to buy these NFTs. It's very important. Connect your wallet. So use the app Trust Wallet or MetaMask to connect the wallet. So you can easily connect to your wallet, create your NFT. So how you can create your NFT? So select your favorite image from the orange and make it to NFT. So you can easily select the NFT and you can store in your wallet. Next आप देख सकते हैं start selling or staking. So there is 2 options available if you want to start selling or want to stake. So sell NFT on OpenSea or you want to NFT get reward. So you can easily get reward if you want to stake these NFTs. Select your favorite image made NFT collects. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि आप यहाँ पे आपको NFT mint भी कर सकते हैं. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं एक्सचेंज यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हैं जो है OpenSea है, PancakeSwap, Pocoin, Trust Wallet and you can see 𝐶𝐂𝐂𝐃, so �coinmarketcap and यहाँ पे आपको सारी information जो provided है. How you can mint these NFTs, guys? So I already told you about the details how you can mint that. So you can easily mint that. So आप इस तरीके से यहाँ से mint कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे आपको जो है NFT marketplace की details भी सारी प्रोवाइड है. नेक्स्ट आप देख सकते हैं DeFi staking. आप स्टेक किस तरह कर सकते हैं. तो स्टेकिंग का प्रोसेस भी बड़ा सिंपल सा है, वो भी आप इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं. फार्मिंग कर सकते हैं गाइस. तो फार्मिंग आपने किस तरह करनी है, लेट्स सी कि आप किस तरह फार्मिंग कर सकते हैं. सो इज अ डिटेल गिवन. सो lots of guys opportunities are available if you join this project. Here's the white paper. Collections are available. So different type of collections, NFT collections are available. You can see all the details is given. तो यहाँ से आप सारी NFTs की collections को भी easy तरीके से देख सकते हैं. Please don't miss to study the white paper because each and everything will be there, and when you study that you will be satisfied to see all the details. Here you can see one rich group. So all the details is given related that. And next you can see what is this. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं vision and values, teams detail. So each and everything will be available. So I will post all the links in description. So if you have any question, you can join the description and click on the links and get more information. So guys, these are all NFTs. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं सारी NFTs की डिटेल आपको अवेलेबल है. आप मिंट कर सकते हैं, आप बाई कर सकते हैं, आप स्टेक कर सकते हैं. You can stake also. So all the details are given, guys. So if there is something missing, you can join me in the comment section. I will be there always to give you or give the answer of your question. So once again, I'm requesting to all subscriber and investor community, please don't miss to join the links because links are very important. Here you can see the Telegram, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and when you join the links and you will become the member of their community, and it's very important for you for upcoming news and information related to that project. So वो भी आप यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. I will post all the links in description and you can easily join from there and become the member of their community. So it's all over, guys, and I'm sure once again I'm requesting to all subscriber and investor community, please join this project and visit that. I'm very sure that you can generate a massive reward in future. So we will meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.